Hi guys, this is my SSD of Carly, or ALCI, not or but and or. So building your Carly or building your ALCI, it's all about Calamares, and we help them, they help us. It's a mutual interest. It's a project that's just great. It just delivers well, a Linux distribution on an SSD or NVMe or hard disk or whatever. The topic is, which one do I do first, right? Carly or ALCI? Both of them need an update for the Calamares configuration. Well, remember, there is the configuration, which is the data files, and there is the application. I'm talking about the application that needs to be updated. So it's not the config, which is an etc Calamares. It's actually the Calamares itself that I need to update, and that's, I guess, in here, Calamares app, which I'm gonna rename right now just by telling this is Calamares. All small letters. Okay, then me too, all small letters. So there's the development version and the ALCI Calamares. So this I can test maybe the next one, right? Next version. And we have here 38.1, etc. Where do we get these numbers from? github.com/calamares, and you'll see the release numbers. I know them by heart now, and it's gonna be my number. That's my number, the last one, and it's 39.9.1. Sorry. So we found a little bug, and that's fixed now. 39.1-1. Yeah, that's correct. Of course, it has to be in here as well. So 39.1, and this thing, line 6, is your number. I can name it anything, right? It's your number. Well, first built. For the rest, don't need to change anything. So what I'll do now is tell the system automatically, which is great, right? Never typed anything like it in this in the video, I think. But read the upd package sums. So update package sums. Read this update checksums of package file, which is awesome, right? You just have to remember the upd, and that's enough. And then tab. No, you need to write these four, uppdp, and then he knows. I'll do that. So it downloads already the 3.2.39.1, which of course you can actually open up and have a look what's in there maybe. No, but the thing is, we need to build that thing. So make package is what I'll type now. In the meantime, this little guy, this little application changed these lines up here. So this version, that's the package version, that's line number 1. That corresponds with this line. Line number 1, Calamares desktop has not been changed, so these lines are still the same, and so on. So we change these lines, these checksums have been changed automatically. Awesome. All I need to do is type make package and wait. Now when it's all done, I'll push it to the internet, which means I need to put it on the repo. So ALCI, where's my repo? Here's my repo. Where is Calamares itself? Oops, my mistake. I wanted to make this bigger. So ALCI 38.1.2 and the dev version. Which have I started first now? The dev version, which means I can actually work ahead already. And if this is dev, then I can make already the Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. That's 1, that's 39, and it's as simple as that. Basically, what I'm telling you is make sure you have your own local repo. Build your own Calamares. Put your own configuration in there. Make it your thing. Make Calamares your tool. And this is not that hard, right? To rebuild a version of Calamares and then make a configuration so you can select on the fly maybe some extras and so on. choices, always the thing, choices. Now, while I was talking, I think I made some mistakes. Let's have a look. So, Control S, make sure that's saved. No. Okay, looks cool. Just need to update the packages. So that I can do already. Building, no, let's wait for the other one to finish. So, update package sums. So again, the first line here has been changed. That's the version, that's the first line, the checksum, and he's almost done. And the more you see these videos, the more you think, oh my god, this is actually versatile, this is flexible, I can do this, right? So why not? Make package. Let's go one level up and another one. So the dev version, this is the dev version. And what do we need? Which one do we need? The tar ZST. So here is the line of the dev, the older dev. That one is out, right? You're out and you're in. And that's it. We can delete this, we can delete that, we can delete that. All right. And one up here, ALCI Calamares. This one is out. And when this is built, I got something new as output. This is from GitHub. Here is the source. For your interest, here are the modules. So I am always looking and reading in all these folders and files, which is super interesting. And making the branding maybe. Something to have a look at, play around with stuff. The man, now that's Calamares man. But the readmes you can have a look at. Read everything. And the output, everything will come in here, and later we'll have a tar ZST. Well, he's doing his work. I just booted up. How much do I need to update? Alright, some stuff. Is it necessary? No. I can just wait a day, a week, a month. The other day I had somebody building. Let's move this one first. Delete, delete, and delete. So we have the new version online. If you build ALCI right now, right, first to push, then you'll get the latest version. Let me pause here and push it online. So I was saying the other day, right, ALCI is a great project in the sense that it's the pure Arch with Calamares. That's the only goal, right? Pure Arch with Calamares. But you have to read a little bit of the code in the sense that there are different choices: ALCI ISO, the dev, and the pure. And the dev one is the most complex one and the most interesting one because it has also a local repository. So if I would build my own Calamares and I tell to ALCI dev build my ISO, I can actually use not this folder, but use the local repo on my machine to add Sublime Text, to add, I don't know, things from AOR, but also Calamares. And then you become really independent because you have Arch, you have Calamares, and that's it. That's all you need. And you have your own machine, your own way of building ArcoLinux, but then with a graphical installation manager, Calamares. Click, click, click. 10 minutes later, you've got it. It's on your machine, on your hardware. So that's it for me, just about Calamares. I'll just update the Calamares as well for Carly, so that we're all in the same speed. All right, cheers.